So welcome here students. Today I am going to start the exercise 14.3. Here I have written the question number 1. A survey conducted by an organization for the call of illness and death among the women between the ages 15 to 44 years in worldwide found the following. So here a table is given in which the causes is given and female fatality rate in percentage is given. So here 6 causes is given, for that percentage is given, and in the question number 1 first part it is asked that represent the information given above graphically. So first you need to represent it on the graph. So if you are going to represent it on the graph, you need to draw the bar graph. Only it is written you need to represent on the graph. It means you need to draw the bar graph. So here I am going to explain on the board, but you need to draw it on the graph. You need to take a graph sheet of paper where you will draw the y-axis and x-axis. Here I have drawn, it is the y-axis and here it is the x-axis. Here you will represent the causes on the x-axis. Here cause, whatever the region is there, that is represented on the x-axis, and on the y-axis that is female fatality rate. Female fatality rate in percentage, that is represented on the y-axis. So students, all of you have represented the graph related question in the 8th also. So here you need to divide that on the graph. You will get the lines are divided in the equal distances. So here that where the both the axes are going to intersect, that will be 0. So here you need to take the scale. Scale means here that distance I am going to take 5. Like 10 small boxes, yeah, 10 division equal to 5. You will find that 1 centimeter is divided in the 10 equal parted. So I am going to take 10 division equal to 5. Then 5, 10, 15, 20. The highest value is 31.8. So I have represented up to 35. Now here I am going to write the scale also. Here scale that is for y-axis. On the y-axis you are going to represent the numerical value. So here 10 division, that is equal to 5 unit. It means you are going to divide 10 division as 5 unit. It shows that 1 division equal to 0.5 unit. It means 1 millimeter is going to represent 0.5. Now first one is 31.8. So you need to leave a space. I had explained that in the bar graph. Equal gap is there. So you need to leave that space, and first one is 31.18. So here in front of this, on the graph you will get it easily. Here it will be 31. Next will be here 1 division representing 0.5. It means 2 division will represent 1. So next will be 30.5, then 31, 31.5. So approximately it will be here, just above the, here it will be 31.8. So that you will represent. So that is the reproductive health condition. So 31.8, it is reproductive health condition. So here reproductive health condition. In the short I have written reproductive health condition. Now next one is 25.4. So leave that space. Again equal gap should be there. So here you need to leave that space, and after that 25.4. So 25 will be here, and 25.4 that will be just one block above the 25. One small box above the 25. So here it is 25.4, and it is going to represent nephrotic condition. So here I am going to write NC. In the short I have written NC. Now third one is injuries, that is 12.4. So again you will leave the space. Here it will be 10, and just 4 small boxes above you will get 12, and 12.4 then you need to take the 5th small box. So that will be 12.4, and it is going to represent injuries. So here you will write it injuries. Now fourth one is cardiovascular condition. So for that 4.3 is there. So here it is 5. So just below the 5 2 small boxes below you will get 4, and just about the that, it means ki just below the 5, one small box below the 5 you will get 4.3. so here it is the C and C. In the short I have written CC. Now fifth one is respiratory condition, that is 4.1. so here you will represent again, that is 4.1, that is RC. now next other causes, that is 22. so for the other causes 22 is there, so here it is 20. so just above the 4 boxes 20 you will get 22. so here just above the 4 boxes you will get 22. so that is the other causes. So it is the graph of the first question. so you need to draw it. the first part it is drawn. in the graph you will draw, then you will get it exactly whatever the values are given on the graph, that will be shown exactly. Reason is that you will get the proper equal distances on the graph. Now second it is asked that which condition is the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide. So which cause you are going to get, that is the highest is 31.8. it means reproductive health condition is the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide. So the answer of the second will be reproductive health condition, that is the highest 31.8. In the same question it is asked that the third part, try to find out with the help of your teacher any 2 factors which play a major role in the cause in second above the being major cause. So why reproductive health condition is the major cause, you need to give the some reasons. 2 reasons it is asked. So you can give the reason. For the reproductive health condition, the women are not going to get the proper medical facilities, that may be the reason. And second, they are not familiar with the whatever the medicines checkup that should be taken properly, so they are not familiar with that. So that may be the 2 reasons for the reproductive health condition. So you need to do that question number 1. Students, if you are going to do the question number 1, you need to make that table in your copy, and after that you need to take the graph sheet of paper. On that you need to draw it, and just below that table you need to paste that graph sheet. After drawing that in your fair copy, you need to paste it just below that table. So you need to draw it and paste it in a fair copy, that graph sheet of paper.